off the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jump in the cab, here I am for the first time.
Oh yeah, we eating good tonight, Slime. Super swell. Telling y'all, for it's better than a dog. He don't bark, he don't bite. I mean, he ate the neighbor dog one time though, but I never hissed about that.
Welcome to the Fluff Files, your weekly dose of laughs and good vibes. Hit that subscribe button. And welcome back, legends. You already know what time it is. Funniest animals on the internet all packed into one place. Grab your snacks, grab your smile, and let's jump into today's chaos together.
So did you know dogs will sit facing away from you as a sign of trust and a sign that they're protected?
She 50K to cousins, post a caption, pray none of my enemies hold me captive. I grieve different.
Are, yeah, months, okay. Okay, fine, fine.
That would all. Can I see you as my crush?
Oh, that's lucky. Oh, please don't be here. Please don't be here. Please don't be here. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Albert. It's cold outside and I didn't mean to be late.
Quite a few times.
50 times?
More.
100 times?
More.
200 times?
More.
500 times?
Probably.
Are you kidding? You see a cute cat? Ramona.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
She loves playing fetch. Oh!
wanna see y'all niggas outside.
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay?
Raggy! Stop!
I don't even want to help you. Oh my god, no, bro.
Man, shut your...
The true. Oh.
I'd like to leave.
If ghosts aren't real, then explain this.
All right, dog lovers, you know the vibe. The moment vet is mentioned, our brave pups suddenly turn into Oscar-worthy drama kings. Hope you enjoy this section.
Doctor.
Prince, look, Prince, mommy here. Oh my God.
Cause I don't care.
Yeah, immediately
when I'm
no.
with my-
Immediately
Well,
no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Are you happy anymore? Hands in. Yay! Hello. Hello. Hello.
And now, the eternal battle. Dogs versus cats? Who's the real boss at home?
What is that cat doing?
She's so brave, she's well behaved.
This cat had the perfect plan to escape the house, jumping over the fence like a ninja. But the little dog said, "Hold up, buddy, not on my watch," and completely ruined the jailbreak. A dog riding a skateboard down the stairs. This isn't just a trick. This is straight up X Games mode. Somebody get this pup a medal because he's officially cooler than all of us. One of the most heart-melting moments. A newly adopted dog gets home, sees his sister also got adopted, and his reaction is pure joy. Forget Pixar, this is the real-life happy ending. A black cat losing his mind because mom's boyfriend is staying over. The look on his face says it all. Who is this guy? And why is he on my couch? Total jealous roommate vibes. And thank you for sticking till the very end. Here's the cherry on top. A cat battling the down escalator like it's the final boss level until a kind man steps in and helps him get to the right one. Sweet, wholesome, and the perfect ending. Hey, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and follow for more.